Hello, friends. I hope you all are well and that your trading is going well. Now, we are about to analyze Eurchf to determine where we should enter trade. Before we start, I have an important announcement. If you're currently experiencing losses and want to make a good profit, you can contact us on WhatsApp to join our Signals group. The contact number is displayed on the screen. Looking at EURCHF, you can see that an ascending triangle is forming and it has broken out upwards. Here, we'll wait for a retest at this support level, and from here, we can take a buy trade. I'll mark the targets for you here. For double confirmation, you can also wait for a bullish candle to form. And remember, always keep the reward target at double. I hope you found this analysis helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.